fam. It's gonna work. Really long day. You guys don't want to hear about that. Let's get down to business. You guys want to hear about that intake. Here it is. Don't mind the engine's really dirty, but so simple steps about the intake. The first thing that I'll recommend doing is once you get the box fit in, the rubber part and the part over here too. There's another rubber part over here. It's pretty much to cut it off. It's on the instructions it says how much the measurement is. I'll put that on before putting anything on. Once you put the pipe in, you're gonna the rubber part. You gotta put it before you put the box in, because otherwise it's gonna be you have to take out the whole box again and put everything. My friend Junior, we found that out. We were like, I gotta take everything back. It's not that hard, to be honest. Simple steps. The injection right here, this is from the stock one, so you're gonna use the stock one. It will not come with an intake. You have to use the stock one. The piping, everything pretty much connects to the same, injectors, and yeah, the clambers. You have the rubber part over here that actually comes with the AM intake. This one you do put it here. Also has a clamp and everything. And then then the cone that's actually in the bottom. You can't even see it, but yeah, see the box pretty much protects you from the dust. The other AMs or the KMs are usually exposed to the dirt that's coming into the engine. If you see my engine right here, it's so dirty, it's so dusty. You gotta clean that out. So the box pretty much protects. The new AM pretty much protects that. I really do like that a lot. Filter, the air, stock one. You are gonna still need it. Don't take that off. You might taking that off to install a little bit more easier, because you're gonna have to take the stock intake box out. It does go the air through here. It does fit on the AM intake, so it's good fit, man. And then I mean, installation was probably an hour, maybe. Yeah, hour. Won't take that long. It was pretty simple. I mean, I don't mess with engine things. That's why I needed help with my friend Junior. I don't mess with engine things. I leave that to the experts, Okay, so this is the intake parts. Everything that comes. And now my homie Junior is just taking in cable over here. The connection over here too. watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're down in SC County, hit me up. My homie Junior can hook you up with mostly anything with a car. So he's very expert on those and anything with the cars. Alright guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching.